Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel in another video in my everyday Adyel and April series. So today I have a super exciting get ready with me. This get ready with me it reminds me of older days. Like this reminds me of my VidCon get ready with me from like 2 years ago. And that is because I am in a hotel in Palm Springs and I feel like I used to do like get ready with me's in hotels like super fast like this whenever I would go to VidCon and fun things like that. But today I'm getting ready for a day in Palm Springs. This past weekend, I spent the weekend in Palm Springs with NYX Cosmetics, and guys, oh my god, I ended up actually going to Coachella on Sunday, and it was so amazing. Like, I could cry just thinking about it, and you're gonna see a lot more about it. I filmed a weekend in my life video from the entire trip, so you're gonna be seeing clips from Coachella and clips from the entire weekend. So get ready for that. I wanted to upload it today, but I've just been super tight schedule on videos, and I have class this week and just a ton of things going on. So I figured I'd edit the easier edits first and upload that first, and then get the weekend in my life up a little bit later when I have a little bit more time on my hands to edit. I'm actually about to film 3 videos right now for you guys. So yeah, the grind does not stop. But I had the most amazing weekend in Palm Springs, and a huge thank you to NYX Cosmetics and also you guys, because without you guys, I wouldn't be getting these opportunities to begin with. So yeah, I was getting ready today. NYX Cosmetics, we stayed at the Saguaro Hotel in Palm Springs, and it was absolutely beautiful, and they rented out part of the hotel and the restaurant and the pool, and they were having a little activation for their vinyl collection, which I absolutely love, and they were doing hair and makeup and just a ton of fun things, not a fun of ton, but anyways, they were just doing a bunch of activations and really cool stuff at the hotel. So I got my hair done, which you will see later, by Lindsay. She's so talented, and also Spencer, who did my waves. So here I am. I'm not really explaining the makeup to you guys because I feel like I do this in every video, but I was just doing my face makeup, and all the products that I use will be listed down below for you guys, so be sure to stay tuned for that and look down below. But I decided to go for my really natural light beat today because I was doing the activations and stuff, but later in the day I went to chill by the pool and stuff, so you know, I didn't want to melt off too much. So I just did my neutral like brown transition color all over the lids, just with my Jaclyn Hill palette, just to add some dimension and look really pretty and like soft glam. And then I just added lashes and then did my normal face makeup. And oh my god, guys, I didn't do a Coachella get ready with me because the story of how I actually found out I was going to Coachella is so crazy. You guys will hear about it in my weekend in my life, but I literally had 30 minutes to get ready, no joke. I had no idea I was going to be able to go, and last minute they were like, "You're coming to Coachella," and I was like, what? So I didn't do a get ready with me for that, but I did get clips that you will see in my weekend in my life, like I said. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I went a little heavy on my blush, but I took a big fluffy brush, oh my god, I'm so tongue-tied today, to blend it all out and make it look really pretty and flushed, you know, in the sun. So then I added some highlight, my Amrezy highlighter. I guess not yet, the clip isn't here yet, so I will just wait a little. Okay, here we go. And I've been loving that highlight lately. It looks so good. And oh my god, Palm Springs, I guess I'll just talk more about the trip. It was seriously a dream. Honestly, I just love chilling by the pool parties, pictures. Guys, the pictures, wait till you see my Instagram. I literally had so many pictures built up from before Palm Springs that I wanted to post, but now I'm kicking those back for another few weeks because I need to get all these pictures up and like all this content posted. It's insane. You guys are not even gonna believe it. Like, I took the best pictures. I probably have pictures that will last me a whole entire year, but I'm so excited. It was just overall a great picture weekend. I got some really cool content, so stay tuned. So now I'm applying my Morphe lashes, and I forget what style these are, but I used them in the video before and I said the style in there, so I think Smoochy. But then putting on my mascara on my lower lashes and combining my real lashes with my fake lashes. And I was just getting ready to go down to the NYX activation and also get some breakfast at this point. So I was just rushing a little bit at this point. And then Fake Awake. Tarte fake awake. I don't think I've talked about this enough in my videos, but this is a life-changing product. It adds so much dimension to your eyes. It lasts all day. It looks so beautiful. It changes every look. It is so life-changing, let me tell you. So then dusting everything away and making sure I'm all blended and setting my face, and then, you know, air drying it, making sure the highlights pop in. Then I went down for breakfast and then went to the NYX activation to go get my hair done. So here's Spencer Henry waving my hair, adding so much texture. He is literally the king of texture. Like, I love how he got my hair this day and the day before that as well. So he's just doing my hair and I'm speeding this up, and right next to him with the purple hair is Lindsay, who then did my braids. And so for my inspiration for this look obviously was Coachella, but I wanted to do like a hairstyle that I could never achieve on my own. So I wanted to do like 2 French braid type things in the front of my hair. And I can do braids on myself, but not this good, okay? Like, this is unreal. Like, the braids were so amazing. I did not want to take them out, right? So then I wanted it to just flow into a huge messy bun. And I kind of called it a man bun. Like, it was kind of like a man bun with braids and then a ton of texture. And I was just absolutely obsessed with it. It is something that I always wanted to do with my hair, and I finally like took advantage of the opportunity that there were hairstylists, and Lindsay literally slayed it. She is the braid queen. Like, look at her doing her thing right there. Like, I am so thankful because my hair has never looked so damn good. And then towards the end, she ended up adding a bunch of glitter. So we did a bunch of chunky glitter going down my hairline, and then she added some loose glitter on my braids and also my man bun, and it just looked so good, so Coachella, like J-Lo vibes, everything. I loved it, and I took so many pictures with this hairstyle and so many different outfits because, I mean, how could I not? So I'm gonna let you guys watch a little bit more, and then I'll conclude with the outro. Back for a minute into the kitchen, floors are wet. And dishes are broken. How did we get into this mess? Got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. Yes, that glitter though. Look how cool it looks. Like, it's just perfect. I love it. The braids look so good. I have always wanted it. So thank you to Spencer and Lindsay, literally the hair dream team. And that is it for my little Palm Springs Get Ready With Me. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing it and enjoyed watching, and definitely be sure to stay tuned for my weekend in my life and all the rest of the fun videos I have planned for you guys this upcoming week and the rest of April. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone.